Tamil Nadu celebrates the harvest festival of Pongal, and this is also a season for the traditional bull taming festival called Jallikattu, which began at Avaniyapuram in Madurai city today. Around 1100 bulls have been registered for this, and around 800 bull tamers have also signed up. Bull tamers try to cling on to the hump of each of these bulls till a designated point to be able to be qualified for prizes, which could be gold coins, bicycles, motorbikes, and even cars and SUVs in some locations. And this also raises concerns in terms of animal cruelty, because in the past the sport has also been known for several forms of violence against bulls, in the form of pulling them by their tail, intoxicating them to make them more ferocious and difficult to tame, squeezing lemon into their eyes, and other forms of cruelty. But authorities say over the last few years, several strict measures have been put in place. Every bull is screened by veterinary doctors. They are also screened for their good health condition. And bull tamers are not allowed to cling on to bulls more than one person. In terms of safety of bulls and the spectators, double barricading, they say, ensures bulls do not target spectators, as in the past hundreds of spectators and bull tamers have been gored to death or maimed because of this. And this is going to be a long season of travel, stress, and in a sense torture for bulls, as bull tamers take them to several districts across Tamil Nadu over the next few months to be able to participate. Although it began as a traditional sport of valor in the past, when women used to prefer marrying such men, but now it's more of a business. It's a money spinner as well. For a short term, the Supreme Court had banned it, but later, following protests, the law was amended and Jallikattu is back on track. But still, concerns over animal safety, animal cruelty, and public safety too continue. In Chennai, Sam Daniel, Find It TV.